This is a demonstration of green data aggregation. I have here a system model which consists of a fusion node, 2 cluster heads and 4 sensor nodes. Let me explain the system model. The system here is such that the information to and from the sensor nodes are always via these cluster heads. Sensor node 1 and 2 forward their packets via cluster head 1 to the fusion node, and sensor nodes 3 and 4 forward their packets via cluster head 2 to fusion node. In this system model, first the fusion node discovers the topology of the network by broadcasting a packet to all the nodes in the network. On receiving this packet, the cluster heads register themselves directly to the fusion node, and the sensor nodes send their registration packet via the cluster heads. Let me show a practical demonstration of the topology discovery. On pressing a button here, the fusion node broadcasts a packet to all nodes in the network. The window here shows the topology of the network. Next, in order to find the maximum function, in this case, to find which amongst the 4 sensor nodes have the maximum temperature, 2 schemes have been employed. First, the plane scheme. The fusion node requests for the maximum temperature in the network. On receiving the request, the cluster heads forward the request to their respective sensor nodes. On receiving the request, the sensor nodes measure the temperature locally and forward the reading to their respective cluster heads. Assuming the cluster heads have local intelligence, the cluster heads compare which amongst the 2 temperatures they have received respectively are the highest. Now cluster head 1 and 2 forward their respective high temperatures to the fusion node. On receiving the 2 temperatures, fusion node compares which amongst them is the highest, thereby knowing which amongst the 4 sensor nodes have the highest temperature. This is a demonstration of the plane scheme. The fusion node makes a request for the maximum temperature. As explained before, sensor nodes 1 and 2 forward their temperature information to cluster head 1, and sensor node 3 and 4 forward their information to cluster head 2. Window 2 here shows the information at the fusion node, which indicates that sensor node 1 has the highest temperature amongst the 4 sensor nodes. In the timer-based scheme, when the fusion node makes a request for the highest temperature, the cluster heads receive the request and forward the request to their respective sensor nodes. On receiving the request for the highest temperature, each sensor node in the network read their respective temperature values and start a timer. The metric to timer mapping is so done that the sensor nodes which read a higher temperature value sets its timer to expire faster than the ones who reads a lower temperature value. Sensor node whose timer expires first forwards its packet directly to the cluster head. The other sensor node whose timer is ticking abandons its transmission if it finds another sensor node transmitting its information to its cluster head. The similar phase happens even here. So only one amongst the 2 sensor nodes in each cluster forward their information to their respective cluster heads. So each of these cluster heads have one temperature value amongst them. Now these cluster heads start their timer depending on the temperature reading they have received. Cluster head whose timer expires first forwards its reading directly to the fusion node, while the other listens to the channel and abandons its transmission if another cluster head is found transmitting its information to the fusion node. Now the fusion node has the highest temperature value. This is a demonstration of the timer scheme. When the fusion node makes a request for the maximum temperature, the sensor nodes read their temperature value and send their information to its cluster heads once its timer expires. The window here indicates that sensor node 1 has sent its reading to cluster head 1, and window 2 indicates the information received by the fusion node from cluster head 1, which indicates that sensor node 1 has the highest temperature. In the plane scheme, there are a total of 6 transmissions that take place. By the time the fusion node can ascertain which amongst the 4 sensor nodes have the highest temperature value. While in the timer-based scheme, there are a total of only 3 transmissions that occur by the time the fusion node comes to know of the highest temperature amongst the 4 sensor nodes. Hence, timer-based scheme is superior and faster than the plain scheme.